Hi, my name is Nurul. I'm almost 60 years old, going to be in October. Recently, I lost my corporate job after 10 years of working in the company. It's a big multinational. They literally made 13,000 people redundant in 2 months, May and July, and I was one of them in July. So the thing is that I don't want to get back to corporate life at the age of 60. It's tough, competing with the younger generation, plus, a stressful life. I'm a finance guy. I've been working in finance for the last 20 plus years, and it can be stressful. So my role is to build a business of my own that I can do from home without having to, stress myself out anymore. And I'm opening this channel just to go through all the steps that I've gone for building my business so that you all can learn. I'm sure there are plenty of you out here looking for a way out from the corporate life and to get into a business that really means something. So it's going to be raw. I'm not going to do editing at all for my videos. I will let it run as is, as much as possible, and walk you through my daily work task or weekly updates. I'm going to give you as much as possible. So my journey starts here. If you feel a calling for going in this path, right, like creating a business of your own, then do subscribe to my channel, and I will also be putting a link to opt in to my email list so that you can get all the different elements that I will be sharing to my list, because I can't share everything online. But if you are on my list, you will get notified whenever I put out a video, and I will also share things inside like prompts and other stuff, checklists and things like that, which may help you see the process and think about it. So I'm not going to make this video too long. This is going to be my intro to this new channel out here. And so I hope you will subscribe. Please leave a comment and a like. That will help me too, to allow more people to see my videos, because this is raw deal, right? I have tried doing businesses, starting a business, and I haven't found the right path that worked for me. I want to work from, from the ethical side of things. I don't want to be a fake person to say. So if you feel that it's worth watching my videos, then you're welcome. Talk to you soon. Bye.